In sensation, we are working with partners from Belgium and the Netherlands on technologies that focusing on camera technologies to broadcast, the broadcast television market, and the second market we are in is machine vision. So we are working on technologies that are in cameras, so we make new sensors, faster sensors, we make cameras, camera technologies, we make compression, and the outcome of this project will be for broadcast, the next generation of broadcast. For broadcast it will bring a new platform that will allow for the fastest machine vision applications also Industry 4.0. We are planning to have prototypes showing the technologies that will lead hopefully in a year or two later in real products for the markets. The challenge there is that people every time need higher resolutions, higher speeds, which are giving requirements on both image sensors, on video processing, on transmission, on image compression. And for all these segments, all these parts of technologies, we are currently working in sensation to make the next step in technologies available. To be able to do that, you need really people to work in a chain, like we're having, so the partners that are here are each contributing to certain experts in their field, and as a group are managing the progress in the chain. If you look for the machine vision market, for example, Industry 4.0 is a new trend in smart manufacturing. Manufacturing has to be smarter, has to be more flexible, more faster, more affordable. For that you need vision in a lot of applications, so smart machines. That is completely turning things upside down. So the cameras we used to make in the past are different from what we need in Industry 4.0. This project is supporting that trend. If we look at our company, we are focusing on developing a new platform that is, like I said, 2 to 4 times faster than the old ones. Also, it will keep us to main in the front end of all the companies worldwide on this. But also because we are now adding Industry 4.0, it's not only keeping in the lead, but it's also broadening our product portfolio. We are entering new areas that we have not been really active in before. And now we are looking for applications in the machine vision area. All the partners, it is at least building up more knowledge, new capabilities, because that's the beauty of Penta. It's close to the market. New capabilities are easy to transform into new business. And now today Penta is for us the favorite as an SME because it is relatively close to the market. You don't need a huge amount of partners. We like projects that have focus. You would like to find the synergies. What can you do together? The bigger the project is, the more difficult it gets. For everybody who is new in this market, I think Penta projects are probably the perfect start. FX, of course, is where everybody's meeting who is in this kind of projects. That's the reason to go here, to try to meet people, try to talk to people from public authorities. It also gives you an opportunity to look around who is doing what, to expand your network, to look for new partners. I think that is very beneficial. I think the networking part is the most important part. If you look at a collaborative project, of course you can say, well, you are looking for partners and have some commercial collaboration. You end up in making a lot of contracts, big business cases behind it. You get fights about IP rights and so on, all kinds of high expectations. The good thing in collaborative R&D that you are working on common goals to achieve common goals, but everybody is taking care of his own funding, his own business case, so to say. But at the same time also work on the demonstrators that show it will work. And which is nice because everybody is building their own IP. We are working together, for example, now in this project was also on semiconductor, that is a sensor manufacturer. They are working, of course, on elements for their product roadmap, but in the project we also are working on the technology that will use that sensor. So by the end, for being together in this project, they build sensors for the world market, but at the same time they make something very specific for us that is very much focused. So I think this is a perfect ecosystem for us to do this kind of developments. And of course the fact that you get some funding for it helps as well.